Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today I have new easy 3D embellishments for you. So let's get started. I found these new easy 3D toppers when I went to Germany. And yeah, I brought them back because they're a little bit different. They still have the 3 steps, but this time you have a vellum background, an embossed background, and then you have a kind of, yeah, a topper. So they are quite flat the way I made my cards because I only popped up this last layer, the topper. But you can, of course, pop up the vellum layer too if you like to. So yeah, they're a little bit different. I did find them over there. I couldn't find them at my wholesaler, so I kind of carried them in my suitcase home because I did want them for my shop, but I have them in limited quantities. So let's check them out. So here is the pack with the angels. So there are still 10 toppers in each pack, and each of them comes in 3 steps, and this is how they look. So you have this little embellishment that comes on top of the tree. They're all trees, so you all have the 10 Christmas trees in the background, and they come in a vellum layer and then in an embossed cardstock layer, and then again here is the embellishment. So 10 of them. Here is another one, and look at this beautiful angel praying. Very pretty. There's some light glitter on it, not much, but I thought it was so pretty with the vellum background. I took out another one for you here to take a look, and here is this cute angel with all the presents. And here are my cards. So very simple. I just used a little bit of floral background paper that I had in my stash. And then a couple of stars I cut out. Merry Christmas. This one here is a sticker from a sticker sheet that I also carry. And then just a couple of bling pieces. But of course the topper is the most prominent item here on this card. The card is just a purple, and not purple, a pink, light pink card blank that I made myself from cardstock. So cute, I thought. And then with this one here, this is a top folding card that I also made myself. I just added these star borders. And yes, you can see there's this German greeting here, Frohes Fest, and this is a German Christmas greeting. But when I looked at the pack, this is the only one that actually has a greeting on it. The other 9 don't have it, so I decided it's worth it to take it, even if you may not use this one, or you could cover it up if you wanted to. If you don't have anyone who would want a German Christmas greeting. But these cards are very quick. Background paper, little border, and then this beautiful embellishments. So this is this angel pack that I have available right now, but there is more. Then I found these lanterns, and same thing, they have this halo, then the lantern, and you can see how nicely it is embossed. This glitter came from me. I did put this glitter on here. As you can see in the pack, this is not glittered. The candles are. The candles have a little bit of glitter. So you have this halo, then you have the lantern, and then a beautiful candle with some greenery. And my card, again, very simple. I used a pink card blank that I created myself from pink cardstock, a little bit of paper from my stash, a few stars, and of course this beautiful embellishment. And in this pack we have 10 of them, nicely adored with beautiful candles. And then I have one more that I found, and this one is the snowflake with beautiful Christmas flowers. And on the snowflake one, here I made a top folding card you see the snowflake, the embossed layer, and then this beautiful Christmas rose. I added just a punched little snowflake, a star. This is this foam star that you get at Michael's. And the greeting comes from a hunky-dory pack that always have more greetings that you use, so I kept that in my stash and now I used it. Now for this top folding card, I just used a blue background, a little bit of a scrap that I had laying around that kind of matches this color theme, and I think this card came out really nice. So these are the new embellishments, but I only have them in very limited quantities. So if you like them, be quick. I'm not sure if I can actually get them over here from my wholesaler. I carried these in my suitcases and they are available now. And then I have a couple more things for you. And I also wanted to share with you the super cute moose sitting on the moon, or kind of, yeah, almost swinging on this moon. This beautiful topper came from the cute moose, and these are also new to my shop. So pretty, and look how cute they are. And you probably are done with your Christmas cards, and I'm kind of regretting it because there's so many cute materials and products that I will probably keep crafting even into the New Year's. But yeah, some of us, we craft Christmas all year, and thank goodness they don't eat bread, so even if you have them, you can always use them next year. But I did want to share it with you because they came in this fall and I didn't have a chance to make a card. So here is the card that I made. I just used my die and I die cut a piece of gold glitter paper. So I have a nice background for this beautiful moon. Merry Christmas to you is the stamp that I have, and then again I used the paint marker, and let me see if I can find it. I wanted to show that to you. Yes, and here they are. So these are paint markers, and I have them in silver and rose gold, and this is mine, so don't worry about this. Something fell on it, but of course if you buy it, it comes in perfect condition. But these are these paint markers, and what I like is they have this chiseled edge, so you can go over your sides, and then you can see how they come up glittery. So that makes a lot of sense to me when I stamp my greetings, because I have that stark white and I like to offset it. And these paint markers from Deco Color are very easy to use. And this is a new color that I got, the rose gold, and that's very pretty too. So in gold, rose gold, and silver they are available. And last but not least, I wanted to share with you the gnomes that I have in my store again. This pack here I had last year, but it sold out so quickly and then I couldn't get it back. So I brought it back from Germany this time, and look at these beautiful cute gnomes for Christmas. I love them. They are so cute, and I'm so glad that I got them back. Yeah, they're basically sold out, but I still got them at this one store. So I have these in my store in limited quantities. These are new, and they are different ones. These are single gnomes, and what happened is they come in mirror images. So what you can do is you can attach them to each other, and with that you have a hanger. You know, you have like an embellishment that you can hang on the tree, just because you do have both sides. So that looks really nice, and let me see if I can find one for you. So yeah, here I have the two, and you can see they're identical, and you can just you know, glue them on top of each other, and then maybe have a little string there so that you can put them on your tree. But look how cute they are. And I love that little Norwegian hat that they have on. So yeah, so these are my 2 gnome packs that are available in my shop right now. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. This is all I have. I hope you liked my cards in these cute toppers that I have brought back from Germany. If so, please leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I would always like to hear from you, and share this video if you can with your family and friends. I would really like the support. So thank you so much. I think I'm gonna have one more video before Christmas, probably during the week. So we'll see. If not, I already wish you a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to you, and please stay or get well. I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.